Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making an Allay that will power the dash. Name it clearly so commands target it, for example, dash Allay. Then create two scoreboard objectives, one to detect player input and one to manage cooldowns. Place a command block loop or install a data pack to run commands every tick. Once done, confirm the world allows command execution and that the Allay can follow or reach the player. This ensures the next automation steps operate reliably. You need a reliable trigger. Map a key press or item use to set the player's dash trigger to 1. Then run an execute command that checks if dash Allay is within a short radius of the player. This links the Allay's presence to dash eligibility. If both conditions are true and the player's cooldown is 0, apply a controlled velocity or teleport in the look direction to simulate a dash. Make sure to normalize the vector and cap distance to avoid clipping into blocks. Finish by implementing a cooldown. When the dash happens, set dash cooldown to the chosen tick length and begin decrementing it every tick, preventing repeat dashes. Reset the player's dash trigger to 0 immediately after activation so repeated inputs don't stack. If the dash fails or teleports you into walls, make sure the Allay can path to the player, check command execution order, and reduce dash distance or add a raycast safe check. These simple fixes resolve most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.